Hi, this is Josh from Exo Support. Today we're looking at how do I run Network.exe. Now this is a file we run to connect a workstation to a server or to fix errors you may have, such as OLE errors. It also installs the printer driver if you're having printer errors. The first thing we want to know with running Network is the location of our install folder. This is the folder that actually contains the network file that we want to run. To find the location of our install, if we were to choose the Help menu and choose About, and then at the bottom of the About screen you'll see Installed In, and that will be the location of your install. Currently we have C Payroll NZ. If we choose Exit and exit out of Payroll completely, no need to back up at this stage. If we go to our Windows Explorer, we can track down this location that we've seen. In our case, we've gone to the C drive and Payroll NZ folder. And here we see that there is a file called Network.exe, which is the file we need to run. So if we run this file, can run as administrator or can just double click to run the network file. This will start a wizard. Just want to choose Next. The important part of this screen is we want to choose Browse if we're not installed to the default location. When you get to the Choose Destination Location screen, this is an important step. What we need to do here is select the location that your current payroll is installed. This might not be C Payroll V as shown in this screen. It may be a server location, which is most likely the case. So what we want to do is choose Browse. If we click on Browse, we can choose to navigate to the folder that we have installed in, that same folder that was showing in the About screen. So it may be the C drive, P drive, whichever install location that is selected. You see the drives at the bottom there. You can change to a network drive if it's not already there. And once you've had the folder you want, select and choose Next. And simply choose Next all the way through, and then the network installation will go ahead. As mentioned earlier, the files that have been installed are to do with the printer driver, and there's some DLL Windows files that are installed for the workstation, and also the shortcut is set up to link through to the server installation. These files will only take a little time to install. If you do have any issues at this stage, you may need to get your administrator of the computer to run through the same process, so that all the, say, the Windows DLL type files will be installed correctly. But if you have no errors and the printer driver is installed correctly, then there's nothing to worry about. Once the process is finished, you can choose Next, and don't worry about restarting on most computers. You can if you wish. Once it's finished, what you want to do is restart your payroll from the new shortcut that has been created. And depending on why the network file was run in the first place, you just want to check that the program opens, you've got the correct company showing, and you can access and print your reports as needed. Thank you for listening. That is how to run Network.exe, our workstation install run. If you have any questions, consult the knowledge base article that this video is on, or contact the support team at MIB Exo Support. Thank you very much for listening.